Hello and welcome. Today we are going to operate clear Google Sheet cell. How we can easily clear content of Google Sheet. So in this example, I have used a automatically fill up some rows and columns, some range. So you see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 column and 10 rows, right? And I have function called fill range. So this is going to fill with the data inside my array, and I'm going through the row 0 to 9, that is row 1 to 10, and push number, that is this 0 to 9. 0 to 9 is this the number, push into row data, okay, raw data. So raw data, it is pushed there, and then I pushed another set of data from this what is called array, and here I put the index 1. That means I have excluded A. Instead, I am taking from B, C, and onwards to fill up the remaining column. Okay, so first I enter this 0 and then enter B, C, D up to J. That means I complete this thing. I push all the data in the raw data, and then finally I paste there in the cells. Okay. And if you see the data, I have actually something like this: 0 B C D E F G J, then 1 B C D. It's repeating 10 times. So this is one way to fill the data. I have another function to fill something instead of that data. So here not selected this one. So this is everywhere something. Instead I try this. Okay, now about the resetting the cell. If we want to clear content, only some content, then we can use the content only function like this one. We get the range, which is actually row number 4 and column number 2, 4 to 2, and clear content. So let me select that one, clear content only. If we run this, we are going to get this row number 4 and column number 2 and 3. Okay, 2, this is 2 and number of column 2. So this is clear content. Another way to clear another function is to clear formats only. This is the function clear format. So same range, I run this one, format only. I run it and I get the original formatting. So I cleared the changes. And another function is clear data validation. So in case my cell has data validation, for example, data validation. Okay, so this one, that's a tick box I have. Okay, and save it. I have this, and I also have this one, and tick box, this one. So one is ticked, another is not ticked. I run this function, clear data validations. I run it. Now you see that checkbox is removed. So that means data validation, condition checkbox is removed, but the value remained there. So content is not deleted, but the validation, whatever I choose from here, is removed. If let's select the list of item 1.2, for example, save it, I have this 1.2 everywhere within that range, right? Now if I run the function again, clear data validation is executed. Now the validation is removed, so drop down option is removed, so, but the value whatever it was selected is remained there. Another is clear notes. Let me create some notes, like this one already has notes. Let me create here also, insert note A B C, and this is AAA. Go to the clear note function and run it, and you see note is removed. Okay, so next function is clear. This clear is it has two possibilities, without options and with options. So let me go without any option within this function, and we do some formatting, like background color yellow, red, and some validation, maybe tick box. Okay, now we have background color, checkbox, and also some note maybe. Okay, ABC. So I have all three thing within that range. If I go to clear content format validations, this is the function content format validation. I run it. Okay, so thing note is removed, format is removed, no, note is remained there, format is removed, content is removed. So format and content both are removed, but the note and the validation remain there. So that means something is not as we expected. So let me go through another variation of this clear function. So before using this clear, you must be sure that it is going to clear only the format and the values content. So if we use that function this way, like options, what to clear, so we have format only, content only, validations only, skip filtered rows, but all the possibilities I have actually made true. Okay, let me format something like green color, make comment ABC note. So I have two notes here, and validation, and background color maybe I put another one, red. And now if we use it with options to clear, with options, and run it, everything is clear, even notes, formats, content, and validation, because I have everything made true: format, content, validations, comments only. So everything, this one I don't have at this moment. Skip filter values row. If for example I have this one row with content, another maybe this one I make notes as well, and I maybe delete this one and put validation instead. Validation, checkbox maybe. Okay, so I have okay, make background color, right, red. So I have background color, notes, and validation as well as content. But if I hide this one, hide row, and then execute this, I use this skip filtered rows. It's a hidden, right? If lets me run this, I expect that nothing should be cleared or deleted at this moment, because the row is hidden. But it did actually. It has cleared everything. So this is not the hiding thing. This is possibly for filtering that we use here. Create a filter. Let me create some filter here. B only. Okay, so now I filtered this one, but before that let me add something. Okay, I have added this one. Add background, put some notes, and what else? Checkbox, maybe this one. We use validation and checkbox, so everything is there within that row: background color, checkbox, content, and comment. And now this time I use this, maybe blank. No, let me filter this one. I unselect this one, so this is filtered, and now I execute this. So unfilter this. Yes, so this function, that filter, skip filtered row, that option is using this filter option. If it is used, a filter is used, and that a row is hidden because of filter, then that row should not be cleared, should not be cleared. And that's it. I think it is most interesting and can be used in many places. Thank you, and see you in the next video.